Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a quick stir-fried spicy ground beef with onions, carrots, and celery for dinner. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our quick spicy ground beef with onions and carrots, we have right here about 2 cups of onions, carrots, and celery. They're mixed. We sliced them up. And over here we have a 1/4 pound all beef patty. It's froze, so we're going to go ahead and thaw it out. And over here we have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce that we're going to add a bunch of spices to and seasonings. And yeah, that'll make it taste good. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get our chopped vegetables out of the way and our 1/4 pound all beef hamburger. Okay, to our 1/4 cup of soy sauce, we're going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder in there, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yeah, that ought to do something. 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper. Yeah, the red pepper flakes. Now we're talking. Yeah, okay. And to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And we're going to mix that up. Okay, now all we have to do is start cooking. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do that. Okay, let's set our burner to medium. And we're going to put some oil in the pan. And we're going to go ahead and let that heat up a bit. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. We're just going to go ahead and put our vegetables in. You know, the carrots, celery, and onions. Put them right in there. And we're going to stir them around. Get them coated with oil. Notice I left the celery leaves in there. Yeah, sometimes they're good. I like the taste of them, especially when they're cooked. Plus they kind of look pretty. Okay. Okay, we're going to cover them and let them steam a little bit. And they should soften a little. That's good. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Yeah, they're looking better. Okay, they're looking pretty good. You know, we want them a little crunchy, you know. Okay, let's put these aside. And we'll take our 1/4 pound all beef patty. It's froze, so we're going to put that right in there. And we're going to cover that and let that cook maybe for 2-3 minutes until that hamburger softens a little and defrosts. Then we'll flip it over. Okay, let's see how our hamburger's doing. Yeah, that's already defrosted, so we'll go ahead and chop them up. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder, A little bit of onion powder. Tiny bit of smoked paprika. Yeah, to get that smoky flavor going. And while we're cooking our 1/4 pound all beef hamburger here, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Yeah. Wow, you should smell that. Okay, looks like our hamburger is done. Let's go ahead and mix our vegetables in. And we'll lower our heat to medium-low. Okay, to that we're going to add some green onions. They make it taste really good. Okay, we'll just go ahead and put them in there. That was about 1/2 cup of green onions. Mix them in. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we're going to add our soy sauce mixture. Don't forget to stir this up, because remember you got the cornstarch in there. Okay, we'll put that in there. Alright, now that'll thicken things up and give it a really good flavor, and spicy too. Okay, that looks really tasty, and that's done. Let's shut off our burner. Now all we have to do is plate this up and give it a taste test. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do that. Okay guys, there's our quick stir-fried spicy ground beef with onions, carrots, and celery for dinner. Yeah, we're going to put a little sesame seed on. Spritz that. Okay, that looks good. And you can put a little more smoked paprika on top. Okay. Boy, that looks good. Okay, let's just have a little taste. Let's try right here. Wow. You see that beef? Yeah, celery and onions. And a little bit of carrot? Yeah, okay. Let's have a little bite. Boy, is that tasty. It's mildly spicy. It's not too hot. But it really tastes good. It's very flavorful. Oh, you know what I forgot? I was going to put one of these on there, celery leaves. Because we have celery in there. Let's see, where are we putting this thing? Alright, we'll just stick it in there. Okay, there you go. Okay guys, there you have it. It was definitely quick and easy to make. Quick and easy, spicy ground beef with onions, carrots, and celery for dinner tonight. Yep, that sounds good. And you could probably feed 2 with this, so that's really good. Really tasty. Yeah, you know what would go good with that right there? A nice, cold, chilled glass of wine. Yep, that sounds good. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.